Hi guys! Welcome to Creative Mind YouTube channel with another Photoshop tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create a poster design with glow effect. First of all, add a solid color layer. Now choose a darker color and click OK. Now add model image. Make a selection of subject, then click on mask. Now convert to Smart Object and move it to your main document. Now add a clips and follow my settings. Now double click on layer and add outer glow. Now add color overlay. Now add another solid color layer. And make clipping matte. Change opacity to color dodge. Mask and decrease the opacity. Now make another solid color adjustment layer and change opacity to color dodge. Now mask it. Now add text. And here we go. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.